Hi, my name is Sylvia, founder of Shan Living. When I founded Shan Living, I was inspired to create a safe space for all those who are seeking to embark on their self-healing journey, just like how I was trying to do for myself 10 years ago. During my journey, I explored a wide spectrum of healing modalities, from the world of mystics to the school of mindfulness and meditation. And when I finally stumbled on emotion healing, it was the huge turning point in my life. Not only was I able to work on my own emotional wounds, the healing journey actually led me into discovering my real life purpose, which is to serve in the space of healing works. Unlocking these trapped emotions had liberated and changed my life ever since. And in the last 2 years, I have been very blessed to have a continuous stream of clients coming to Shan Living to allow me to help them cope with their difficulties using emotion healing. These healing sessions continue to shed light onto my deeper understanding of the inner works of trapped emotions, and also witness the positive impacts on my clients when they release their trapped emotions. And that is why I decided to create this workshop to share what I know. I hope these insights may help you look at your difficult circumstances with a whole new perspective. In this workshop, I'm going to share with you what are trapped emotions and how they have been subconsciously sabotaging our happiness, especially in the aspect of work life and love life. You will also find out how trapped emotions can be released so that we can reset our life once again. At the end of the workshop, you are also invited to join me in a free online chat forum for further interactive discussion. I will also be giving a free demonstration to show you how emotion healing works in finding the trapped emotions and tracing them back to an unresolved past event. Finally, I had also prepared a free meditation for emotion healing that you can use whenever difficult emotions arise. I'm really excited to start this self-healing journey with you. So whenever you're ready, find a quiet space, put on your headset, and let's begin.